How to navigate and utilize TrueView. Click the Open File folder in the top left to open any .lgsx TrueView files. This will bring a top-down view of the data gathered, known as the sitemap. This icon in the top left of the sitemap will bring up the 3D view of the site. Navigation. Holding left-click enables orbit, allowing one to rotate the site in 3 dimensions. Holding the right-click enables panning. Mouse scroll wheel zooms the site in and out. Setups marked with a red dot can be double-clicked to view a panoramic view of the scan done from the respective spot. Holding the right-click allows you to move around the panorama view. Double-clicking another red dot will move you to another area. Clicking the orbit button will return you to the 3D view. Visibility. This icon on the left brings up a tab on the right side. This icon to the right of the Point Clouds tab will drop down a menu that can change the view of the data by True Scanner Color, which is already enabled, Hue Intensity Map, Grayscale Intensity Map, Color by Classification, Material Object Identification, Color by Elevation, Measure. This icon on the left will allow one to take measurements in 3 dimensions, including point-to-point distance, angle, area, pipe diameter. Create clip box. This icon on the left will allow one to create an isolated box that will contain whatever points of data exclusively within. Left-click and hold on any face of the box to extend or shorten the selected face. Holding Shift and clicking will allow for the face behind the surface face to be adjusted. Holding Shift and clicking will also allow you to crop your desired area like this. Holding Alt and clicking will allow for rotation of the entire clip box. Capture. This icon drops down a menu that allows you to take quick screenshots, as well as record videos for map showcases. These options will only record the main viewing window. Record video can be clicked to begin a recording, then clicked again to end the recording. Tip: using the fly-through feature in the navigation dropdown allows for a slow, mouse-directed flyover of the map data in order to make a more cinematic video. Arrow key down to slow the speed. Arrow key up to speed up. Settings. This gear icon allows access to a few quality of life settings, including background color for contrasted viewing and a conversion to Imperial US units. Help. This question mark icon will refer to the Leica website for any extended help with navigating the TrueView software. Geotag. This icon on the left brings up a tab on the right side. The geotag visibility setting will toggle the geotag icons on and off. Left-click the geotag toggle button to toggle the geotag locations on and off. Left-click the geotag occlusion button to open the geotag occlusion slider. The geotag occlusion slider adjusts how a partially hidden geotag is displayed. The options are: the geotag is drawn partially hidden. The geotag is drawn fully, over top of whatever was in front of the geotag. Color code geotags. Geotags can be rendered by category by selecting the Color Geotag by Category button. The Color Geotag by Color dialog contains two options for rendering geotags. By default, the Color by Category option is turned off. This disables the category table control. The geotag color control at the bottom of the dialog will be active. This control can be used to render all geotags as the same color. Click in the color control to open the color picker and choose a color. Turning on the Color by Category option will activate the category table control. This will display each geotag category in a list with a color picker for each category. Creating snapshots. This icon on the left brings up a tab on the right side. To create a snapshot, navigate to the Snapshots tab at the top. Note: snapshots can only be taken from setup positions. To go to the setup position, you can click here. From here, you can click on the point where you want to take a snapshot. Adjust your view to the scene you want to mark up and click the Take a Snapshot button. Your snapshot will appear in the list of snapshots in the top section with a default name. To rename a snapshot, double-click the name of the snapshot. The snapshot will be created based on the current state of the main view at the time that the snapshot was taken. The following combinations are supported. To copy a snapshot, click the Duplicate Snapshot button. All information associated with that snapshot, including markups, will be duplicated. To delete a snapshot, click the Delete Snapshot button. To update the layer contained in the snapshot itself, click the Update Snapshot button. For example, if the original snapshot was created using the Hue Intensity map, and you would like to change it to Grayscale Intensity map, select the renderer you would like to use, then click the Update Snapshot button. The snapshot will now contain the new rendered layer. Additionally, you can add measurements by clicking this button and include them in the snapshot. Assets panel. To access the Assets panel, click this button. The Assets panel contains all assets associated with a project. This includes geotag attachments, registration reports, text, audio, video files, and hyperlinks. Assets can be opened by double-clicking on them. They will open in the default software associated with this file type. Image assets can be previewed by selecting the Preview Asset button next to the asset. Assets can be downloaded by selecting the Download Asset button.